It's an age-old question in the blogging world. How often should you post? Now, to be perfectly honest, there is no clear-cut answer. It really comes down to your particular style and the style of content you produce. If you tend to write super long posts, it's probably going to be difficult to publish on a daily or maybe even weekly basis. But if most of your content consists of short news articles and things like that, it'll be in your best interest to post more frequently. My preference is actually a mix of both. You can write long articles and then supplement them with shorter, more digestible content. So one strategy is to batch produce a few pieces of shorter content and then schedule them to go out one by one in the future. Then you have a few days or weeks to prepare your longer posts while the shorter ones trickle out. I recommend installing the editorial calendar plugin to help you visualize scheduled content. If you ever feel the need to choose between quality and quantity, quality is the right choice every single time.